Hi Loopers, Melissa from Lovable Loops here. In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to make a border around your corner to corner graphgan. I'm using an H size crochet hook and worsted weight yarn. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to start in one of the corners. You're going to insert your hook into the middle and between one of those stitches there, and you are going to attach your yarn. Chain one and single crochet in the same space. So you attached your yarn, chain one, single crochet in the same space. Then you're going to chain two and then single crochet in that same space again. Okay, and then go ahead and use a stitch marker to put put that stitch marker around that chain two that you made. Okay, so now in this corner here you've made a single crochet, chain two, and a single crochet. And now what we're going to do is down this edge of the graphgan we are going to chain two, and then in between each section of stitches, so each tile or square, however you refer to it, you are going to single crochet between those squares. Okay, so you'll chain two and then single crochet between the next two squares. Chain two and then single crochet in that next space. Chain two, single crochet in the next space, 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 and you are basically just doing that all the way down. So go ahead and do that, and then we'll meet back up when we get to this next corner here, okay? Okay, so now I'm at my last two tiles here. I just made my single crochet, so now I'm going to chain two, and then in the corner there I'm going to make a single crochet, chain two, and then you're going to make another single crochet in that same space. Okay, and then if it's helpful to you, go ahead and use a stitch marker to mark where that chain two spot is, and then you're going to continue on. You're going to chain two and then single crochet between those two tiles, and just like you did along your first side, you're going to chain two and single crochet between each of the tiles. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and continue that same pattern all the way around. You have two more corners to make, so in each corner you'll single crochet, chain two, single crochet in the same space, and then you're going to chain two and single crochet between each of these tiles. Okay, so chain two, single crochet, chain two, single crochet. Okay, and you're going to go ahead and continue doing that all the way around until you get back to your very first corner, and then I will show you how to complete round two. Okay, so I just made my last single crochet and chain two, and now I'm going to join to the space where I made my chain two. So you're going to join to that corner, chain three, 1, 2, 3, and then in that chain two space you're going to make 3 double crochet. Okay, so your chain three here counts as 1 double crochet. So I did my chain three and then 3 double crochet. In all of the other corners, the 3 remaining corners, you're going to make 4 double crochet, okay? But in this case, because we had to start out and make our chain, that will count as the first double crochet. So in the first corner, chain 3 double crochet. In the remaining 3 corners, you will just make 4 double crochet in that chain 2 space. And now all you do is make 3 double crochet in each chain 2 section down each side. Okay? 3 double crochet in that first chain 2. Make 3 double crochet in the second one. And just continue that pattern all the way around. When you get to the corner, you'll just make 4 double crochet, and then you'll continue making 3 double crochet in each section, all the way down each side. Okay, all right, it's as simple as that. All right, guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I'm always working on new content. And if you're subscribed to my channel, YouTube will send you an alert when I post a new video. All right, well, I hope you found this helpful. Thank you.